Hello, what's up, everybody? What we are gonna have today is we're gonna unbox a Cherry Mobile Flare. Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Ty, newtoboss.com, and today we have the Cherry Mobile Flare. And first, before we unboxing, let me tour you around the box. Let's go right on the top part, right there. And this is supposedly the right side. It says in there Cherry Mobile logo, and this should be the bottom. One of the partial stickers have been pulled out by the lady from the store, and you got all the specifications right here. I mean, close up a little bit. Android ICS. You can expand that to 32 gigabyte using. You can just read that when you get to purchase that in there, or if you want to check out full specification of the device, you get to check out our website or the Cherry Mobile website as well. And got dual SIM right there, Android ICS. IPS for your screen, and let me start the unboxing right now. Let me pull the cover real slow. There you go. And oop. Well, let me first tell you that this is not exactly an unboxing anymore, because from the store where I got this from, they did unbox that to put in some warranty logos, stickers, and others, and check out for the serials. And here is just sort of like a bedding they use for to hold the phone up right on top, and you got your manual right here. There you go. Just by looking at the manual is pretty detailed. I suppose you got pictures right there. And you have your list of service centers right here. The reason why you have to read manuals, really, so you would know the technical terms, something like that. But from time to time I change. I just always throw manuals away. And next would be the battery right here. Got Cherry Mobile logo for the battery, and I would want to show you all the details of this battery pack right here. Starting off from the top, you got your course right there. Here it's 1500 milliamp for the power, 3.7 volts for the voltage, and really thin right there. And battery looks, quality build design for me is just maybe just about perfect, so I could say. And next up is this data cable, which you also use as your power cable, connecting your phone straight to your power charger. And I can say it's quite okay. It doesn't really look like CDR Kingish type. And next up is the charger itself. Let me just tape all around, and there you go. I wonder why the bag is kinda larger. Well, anyway, maybe the girl at the store got everything mixed up, repacking it back again. And right now, this is the power charger. I'm trying to close that up for you so you can see every detail of it, and it's pretty nice. You got that texture right in there. And the thing though, here is, well, we're going to connect that in there right there. Well, you know how to do that, but I'm just trying to demo everything to you. But the thing though right here is the flare itself. is black, so they. Well, anyway, just a charger. I'm just trying to say so that it could have been somehow nicer if it's gonna be black too. And next here is your Ziploc bag that encloses your headset. There you go, 3.5 labeling right there for the audio jack, and these would be your headset. Let me close that up again so you can see that in pure detail. And here, take a look at that. It's a pretty average headset. I haven't tried the sound yet. You got inline microphone, volume. I guess that's for no volume controls right here, just for a microphone and for call accept and call end button right there. And you got something that you could clip on, and I suppose this would extend like about maybe a meter or maybe a yard and a half, something like that. And there you go. You don't get gold coating in there, just the standard jack, and you're left off with just a box right there. The box is really pretty, so I'm gonna keep that. Well, this is not gonna be my phone. It's gonna be somebody else's phone for his birthday. And right here is the unit itself. And there you go. Well, let me get a grip of that. There you go. Well, my phone before was a bit larger than this. And the problem with that is that I can't hold that using a single hand. You really have to do left and right. But this, I guess I can manage to do typing just one hand, right or either left. There you go. So let me start off with a 5 megapixel camera right there, and then you got your speaker grill, and on the left side top right here, let me tour you around again, not on the box anymore, but on the unit itself. Basically it's a pretty phone. I really didn't expect that. This is my first Cherry Mobile experience. You got your 5 megapixel camera. It says AF in there. You got your LED flash. It says Flare for the logo. And you got Cherry Mobile branding right here, and right beside that, right at the bottom is the speaker grill, which really looks really nice, really neat. Only just two stripes or two lines right there cutting in. And on the right side, you just have this sort of like an inlet right there. You could stick your nail in to pull out, to pull off the back cover. And right at the bottom, you don't get anything, which is pretty nice. And you got this right here, which you can connect your USB or micro USB to charge your phone. And let me just show that to you here. And let's think so. We're going to charge up our phone right now, and you just have to insert that in there. You know how to do this, but for those who are still eyeing to purchase a Cherry Mobile Flare, I'm just trying to show you everything you can get right out of its box. And here still on the left side, you got your volume rock right there, and you got this power button right here, and you got your 3.5 millimeter jack for your headphones or stereo out. You could somehow connect this to an audio system. Right now we're going to try the included headset in the package and see if it's going to fit. Yes, it does. There you go. Yeah, volume up. Oh, it's not ticking. Oh yeah, it is. Sorry, I can't see much of the clear vision because I'm limited with the camera. And again, those right on top, right there. 3.5 millimeter jack and power button. And on the left side would be those right there. And right in front, what you're going to be having here is your capacitive buttons right at the bottom. But what I would want to show you here is, I don't know if you can see, there you go. That's the camera. That's the front facing camera. And right at the bottom, you will have your uh, home menu, back, and search key. Four capacitive touch buttons right there. You don't really get any physical buttons here. That's pretty neat, sort of like a Nexus type stuff, but soap bar of an iPhone 5. I probably think so, but I'm not saying that it's the same. And let me open up the back cover, so that's way on the left side if you're setting up your vision from the back part. And if you open that up, plastic is just really neatly done. We're going to insert the battery right here, and oops, I guess I have to show you first these SIM slots right here. You got your first SIM card slot right on top. I guess it's the one that's supporting 3G, and this one is your regular GSM band. So you got to, if you're using Smart, Globe, Sun, Touch Mobile, but probably what we're going to be using for this is Globe primarily, and Smart on the next part. I mean the next slot. And here is your micro SD card slot, where you can expand your memory, so you could add in more files. You could save, play music, videos through that expansion card, because the system is a little bit limited when it regards to storage. And here, let's say, let me just try to insert the battery, but I forgot to insert a SIM card. There you go. So we got a globe, and we're going to insert that not on the first, but just on the second. Oop, it doesn't. It's not coming in. Oop, not getting through. Okay, there you go. Right, it's the edge just trying to. Okay, so there you go. We got a SIM card, and we're gonna insert the battery right now. And I tell you, the quality is pretty neat. You could say you could somehow line this up with the most expensive phones out there. I mean, I'm using the Galaxy S3, and this is somehow good looking for me. Again, this is my first Cherry Mobile Android experience, and definitely, I'd probably maybe get some more in the coming days when I get to fund up my piggy bank. And yeah, there you go. So we're booted up, and you got your date right there, and it says no service, but in a bit, I guess it would say. There you go. It says Globe right now. So it's 2:10 in the afternoon. I just got this today. Let me remove the. Oop. Let's go back a little bit so you can see. There you go. Ooh, slowly. And there it is. Really, the device is really pretty for me. if you're just seeing that in photos, if you're just seeing that on displays without touching it, it's not enough. I suggest you get a purchase one, buy a flare, and you'd feel what I'm feeling right now. It's sort of like you would say, why get the most expensive phones when you could get the same quality and same looks and same expensive feel in I mean premium feel in a device like this. And there you go, you got your Android 4.0.4 ICS. Let's run that like that, and you have it. I'm not pretty sure if they already have an upgrade for Jelly Bean, but the lady from the store was saying that I should just wait for like about 1 hour, and they would upgrade that. But I didn't because I have no time, and I just have to do the basic or stock unboxing first with all the stock apps in there. And right here is your uh, messaging app. I'm trying to show you the keyboard, I mean the keypads right now, or on-screen keyboard, and there you go. So that would be for your messaging, and you got your contacts right here. Would look like that. It's just like a typical Android phone. The icons is just a little bit different, but with the interface like this, when after you opening up an application, I mean, it would just look like sort of a Nexus feel, something like that. And let's try the camera this time. Let me just use this box right here. It says sorry because the light here again, it's afternoon, so not much of the sunlight. And if I'm going to use this in the room, it glares a lot. So let's just use this card right here. Why it's not zooming in? Oh yeah, right. Sorry. I'm trying to. It's for a different phone. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, it's much easier. Then you click your shutter right there. You got your picture. It's much easier right here. You just have to use one hand to zoom in. With some other phones, you do both left and right, and you do pinch out. Yeah, and you delete that like that. There you go. And let's go back a little bit. And yeah, so I guess I'm going to end the video for now. Uh, in the coming videos, what I plan to do is to show you some applications, how Skype, probably how Facebook, how YouTube would run on this phone. I mean, the Cherry Mobile Flare has been out for quite a while, but again, the original plan was me getting a W300, but it's been 4 times. Again, 3 times when I blogged that, but now it's been 4 times that they say that they haven't gotten any stocks yet because there are a lot of people purchasing. So I really need to get one before the 1st of March, so I ended up getting a flare, but to no disappointment really. This is really, really a good option. To tell you again, this is my first Cherry Mobile experience, uh, and totally liking it. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a review in the coming days and see as to how it would perform, and I'm gonna see you back. So please do subscribe to our channel, youtube.com/noodleworks, and you can go to our website, check our articles in there, www.noodleboss.com. Again, my name is Ty. Thanks much for watching the video.